back to my channel, guys. Today we have a little haul of some of the goodies that I got from the Iconic. If you guys haven't checked out Iconic before, they sell heaps of pieces from beauty, makeup, fashion, whatever you want, they have. So I'm going to do a little haul of some of the goodies that I got from them. Alright, so the first thing we have is a bit of makeup, and I went and stocked up on the MAC Give Me Sun bronzer. I am honestly so obsessed with this bronzer. If you guys know, it's one of my favorites, so I had to pick up another one, and this is what it looks like. Such a beautiful shade. If you guys haven't tried this, you need to try it. The next thing I got is the MAC Velvet Teddy lipstick. This is such a staple. It's a nice pinky nude color, and I've gone through I think 3 or 4 of these lipsticks, but honestly it is such a beautiful shade, one of my favorites. So if you haven't tried also the Velvet Teddy lipsticks from MAC, the best, guys. Honestly, MAC is where it's at. It's literally an OG brand. The next item is a new product. It's from Bobbi Brown, and it's their long wear gel eyeliner. This is in the shade Chocolate Shimmer Ink, and I had seen it before. I loved it and I wanted to get it. I'm not a big fan of gel liners like in pots, but I love the color so much that I want to give it a go. So I'll probably be doing a tutorial on this soon. The next thing I got is the MAC Max Stack Mascara. If you guys know, this is a really good mascara. I've tried it a couple times before. This is the second time I'm buying it. I like it on those natural days that I want nice length, but I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's honestly one of the best mascaras. It also comes in waterproof, but this is what it looks like, and the wand is insane, guys. Love it. And the last makeup item we have is the lip liner Boldly Bare by MAC. Strip Down is one of my favorites, so is Soar, but this one, Boldly Bare, is just such a beautiful pinky brown nude color. It's honestly one of my faves. This is also a repurchase, but I'm honestly falling back into the MAC bandwagon again. I love all their products, honestly. It's so good. Now that is done for all things makeup, let's go into the fashion side of things, and I might try these things on for you guys. I have 3 fashion items that I'm going to quickly show you guys. This one is from COS. It's a nice black sweater. I know we're going into summer, but I feel like this is such a staple and the quality is so insane. At the end of this video, I'm going to try them all on for you guys and show you what they look like. The next is a lilac dress. It's a bit long, but it's from And Other Stories. It's honestly so beautiful. It's knitted and looks so amazing. I definitely need to try this on for you guys, for you to see how beautiful this dress is. I'm really excited to try this one on. And the last item is also from And Other Stories. It's this nice cream crew neck jumper. I'm honestly so obsessed. It's a nice knit material and has these little ribbed detailing on the sleeves and the bottom. I'm gonna go quickly try these on for you guys and show you how nice they look on. Alright guys, and this is what the sweater looks like. I'm honestly so obsessed. I feel like the length is honestly perfect. I love that it's a nice creamy ivory color, and the quality is just amazing. It's a nice staple piece. I feel like it will suit everything, but honestly, one of my favorites. I'm definitely going to be keeping this. Guys, it's a shame that this camera doesn't have a wide lens, because this dress is honestly so beautiful. I feel like the camera isn't doing it justice. It's a nice knit material, guys, and this is the last piece, but it's honestly one of my favorites. Like, it's so nice and fitted, but so beautiful at the same time. It's just a nice classic black sweater. I feel like you can't go wrong with these, but it's very nice and flattering. I'm definitely going to be keeping this on as well. And guys, that is it for my Iconic haul. I know this wasn't a long video. I'm so sorry, but I really wanted to share some of the goodies that I got from Iconic. If you guys haven't purchased anything from them before, definitely check out their website, because they sell so many different brands, and I'm honestly so obsessed with shopping on there. But this is pretty much the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like my videos. And if you've got any suggestions for me, please leave them in the comment section below. Bye guys.